Hello, guys. No. Hello, hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a while since I've been on here. Well, that is because life. Anyway, let's continue. So, today's video will be an unboxing video. Okay, so let's get into. Okay, so first, let me just say what it is. Let's just get into it. So I entered one of those giveaways. So then this is from Sugar Bee Vitamin K. Now I hardly win giveaways, but I entered. And when I got it, when they sent me that DM saying I won, I was definitely shocked because I didn't know. I thought it was a scam. I'm not gonna lie, I honestly thought it was a scam. But when I went further into completing all of my details, shipping information, and all of that, and boom, here it is. So let us unbox it. A bit silly, let us unbox it. Okay. Let me turn it. I'm just trying to turn it my way. Yeah. Why is it so difficult to open up? I'm not gonna lie, people make unboxing like videos and things seem so easy and cute. And then you get me like icicle. Anyway, let's continue. We'll be back once I actually open the box because I'm just struggling now. Hold on. Can you see my information? I hope not. I'll just blur that out. This is so cute, guys. This is so cute. This is so cute. This is really so cute. Okay, so let me just show you. It's Sugar Bee. Just show you a little closer. So it's Sugar Bee plant powered vitamin infused. Okay. So what I won, it is 3 months supply of the Sleep Deep HTP vitamins. Now I don't know if anyone else struggles. Like I go sleep either late and then I still wake up in the middle of the night, or I go sleep early, I wake up in the middle of the night. But the problem is that I wake up in the middle of the night. I want to be able to sleep, have a peaceful, straight, sleep through the night type of situation. And with that, they gave me this cute bag, this cute fluffy bag. Guys, just see, this is so cute, and it's so fluffy. It's nice. It's so soft. I don't know what I'm gonna use the bag for. I don't want to just use it for anything. This is so cute. I think I want to just keep it safe. Because let me show you the bottles. So this is how it looks. I can't wait to try these. So as you can see, like I told you, Sleep Deep 5 HTP 5 HTP vitamins. So there's 60 gummies, and I'm not sure as to how many I will. Oh, I'll be taking 2 gummies. So I will be trying these from today. This came at the perfect time. The 1st of March, the start of a new month. I'm gonna be sleeping beautifully with my 3 month supply. Stunning. Stunning. Sleep support, cruelty free. What more could we need or even want? It even says here made with plant based coconut oil plus fruit pectin. I'm hoping I pronounce it properly. Anyway, I will be trying that. Can't wait. And I definitely will be doing a review on how it works for me and like taking it. I'll be just keep an eye out for that video because I will be posting that review. But once again, thank you so much to Sugar Bee for letting me win. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I will be letting you guys know how it works for me. And that is it for today's video. So keep an eye out for my review on this. And I will also be reviewing an item from Molly Gray. If you do not know what's that, no, it is an online store that has, and if you are a natural head beauty cutie, go check her out. Molly Gray, she has everything from hair products to hair accessories, hair styling tools, wash day essentials, all of that. So I will also be doing a review on one of the items that I bought from her. So keep an eye out for that video as well. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.